Kit.
Pero yeah.
Here's your little Father's Day gift.
Oh Lord.
It's just little, so don't expect anything big.
I'm excited. White chocolate is so much. Kit Kats, man, you fight over Kit Kats. And these are just classic, yummy chocolates
Nasty.
that make you feel like you're an old person. Yeah. These literally make you feel like you're from the 1950s. So.
I haven't seen them in a while.
Yeah, because they're almost extinct. Chocolate.
No.
Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of me.
But it's my card that matters. I made your card. No, maybe laugh a little bit.
Oh, that's a cute little drawing. Ah, I like that.
Okay.
Snoopy. Alright.
Me and my dad are going to the beach for a little bit just to check it out and walk around. It looks so pretty, but we can't get in because it's so double flat. Where's Isela and Weda? Did you not get scared?
Oh, just one.
We can't go all the way in because we're double flagged right now. We can kind of get in. Oh, look at the water. It's so pretty.
¿Quieres carnita? No.
It's dinner time.
No, this is gator.
Good morning, everybody. Today is my last full day in Florida. I'm so sad to be leaving. I'm always sad to leave any trip. And my bathing suit underneath, it kind of looks weird with it underneath. It's currently 9:25 in the morning. And right now, me and my cousin are going to get some donuts at the donut shop. We have a very fun day planned today, so come along with me. We're on the way to the donut shop.
It's called donuts.
Donut.
It's just called donuts.
Everybody, right now it is currently 10:54. Why am I so red? Anyways, I'm waiting on my family to get inside the car, but we have around a 40-minute-ish drive to the place we have to go. We're gonna get on a boat and we're going to go to a island. I think it's Crab Island, I believe. Anyways, you guys, we have a 40-minute drive. I'll see you guys there. We're in the parking lot. We made it to the place that I was at literally like
2 days ago.
Yeah, 2 days ago. And we are about to board the boat.
Hey, how's the jet ski, brother?
Hey guys, we're officially back home. Can we see? Okay, tan. Wouldn't show you guys my downstairs area because I'm actually sunburnt down there. Right now it is currently 5 p.m. We spent, I think, around 4 hours at the Crab Island. It was so much fun. There's fishies everywhere. I was trying to record them, but it was like hard to spot them. There wasn't like a lot of fishes like there was in Mexico when I went. And since today is our last day and our last time to go to the beach, even though my whole family is so tired, me and my mom and dad are gonna go to the beach for a little bit. I'll try to record at the beach. I haven't been recording at the beach. I'll try my best, okay? It was our last time in the ocean. I'm so sad, but the seaweed was actually really bad. Okay, it is currently 8:36 in the morning. I'm leaving back home. There's never a time where I get off vacation where it's the last day of my vacation that I'm never not sad from leaving. I'm always just super sad. I want to stay here forever. I just moved to Florida at this point. I just love being at the beach. Last night was terrible when I was sleeping, and every time I would move around in my bed to like change my position, my whole body would just burn. I don't look burnt, I look tan, but my whole like back side of my body is burnt because I didn't put like sunscreen on there properly. So, thank you guys so much for watching my little Florida vlog. I'm sorry if I didn't film a lot. I should have filmed more, but I was really just living in the moment and then forgot to film. See you guys in the next vlog. Bye girlies.